Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best stainless steel 32x23x63 inch parrot cage on the market. The Prevue Pet Products Imperial Extra Large Stainless Bird Cage, model 3457. If you're a bird lover looking for a top-tier, luxurious, and heavy-duty home for your feathered companion, you're in the right place. This cage isn't just another bird cage. It's a statement of comfort, safety, and design for parrots of all sizes, especially larger breeds like macaws, cockatoos, and African greys. Let's start with the build quality. This cage is constructed from all-welded stainless steel, which means it's not only incredibly durable but also completely rust-resistant. That's a huge win for long-term use and cleanliness, especially if your bird loves to splash around in its water bowl. Stainless steel also avoids paint chipping, which is a common problem in powder-coated cages and can pose health risks for birds. This material ensures both safety and easy maintenance. At 41.25 inches long, 27.87 inches wide, and a towering 73.75 inches high, this is truly a palace for your parrot. The internal space gives birds the room they need to stretch their wings, climb, play, and just enjoy their day. The 24mm bar spacing is ideal for large birds, providing the security and visibility they need without risking entrapment. Now, let's talk about functionality. One of the most notable design features is the large front access door. This door comes with not one, but two bird-proof locks. That's important because parrots are notoriously clever escape artists. These locks help ensure that your pet stays safe and secure inside when unattended. The cup doors are also brilliantly designed. They lock 4 stainless steel feeding cups firmly in place, so even the most determined beak won't be able to dislodge them. That means less mess for you, and more consistency for your bird's feeding routine. Cleaning is another area where the Imperial cage shines. Instead of full-width trays and grills, which can be heavy and awkward, this cage features half-width versions. That makes cleaning not just easier, but much faster. You can remove one side while your bird is on the other, reducing stress and hassle for both of you. Mobility is often overlooked in cages of this size, but not here. The integrated stand includes lockable, heavy-duty rubber wheel casters. You can easily move the cage for cleaning or rearranging your space, and then lock it securely in place. One important note if you're planning to order this from Amazon: shipping availability may be restricted based on your location. At the time of recording, this specific model isn't available for shipping to India, so make sure to double-check your delivery options. For those exploring similar options, the XXL size is also available, but be ready for a higher price point. It's built with both you and your parrot in mind, from effortless maintenance to high security, spacious interiors, and long-term durability. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're serious about giving your parrot a safe and spacious stainless steel haven, this is the cage to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on expert product reviews and critiques. See you next time.